Hello everyone, I bought Sony TA Tango Alpha -FE370, so Foxtrot Echo 370. I think that's the parcel, so if I'm right, the video exists and will be posted, yes? If I haven't posted the video, that means it's something else that came in, but shouldn't be. Could be true, shouldn't be. It's an old stereo, okay? Exactly the same as a look, but it's 370 model, not 570. My one is 570. I think the difference is only in wattage. That's all there is, and nothing else. Let me change to the picture on the second Chrome purchases. You can see that oh, you don't see. Okay, I need to scroll here. Yes, so 31.29 I paid, but the customer, I mean the seller, wanted to sell for 39 and I refused. Why I refused? Well, first foremost, that's a faulty item, so as cheap as possible. Second foremost, you know, it's not worth a lot of money, yes? I can sell them for less than £100, so I still need to make some profit. And the reason why I'm selling them, because I have one 570 and it's nice sound. Whoever is coming with my three-way speakers, I was 120 watts. People really like the quality of the sound it gets. Plus you can plug in Bluetooth device, plus you can plug in any sort of HDMI to audio extraction, yes, and you can use even with your TV, with your phone, with whatever, yes, because it's an amp, yes, has analog inputs. So faulty, there is no remote handset included, the right channel is not working, the front panel is, yes, so it is, the front panel is a bit, it goes off, yes, which again, you know, I don't mind. Let's see if it works at all, yes, because there should be problem only with one channel. So for me, yes, I will make two videos. One, I'm making you with the fault, okay, and the reason why I'm making only with the fault, now should be small click with relay, and I heard the relay, that's a good sound, okay. How I know about the relay? Because I'm using it for years. Now that's not nice. We need to open it and extract what is inside, because that's dangerous. Something is rattling inside. If you heard it, I don't know if you've heard it. Now I don't use those small electric screwdrivers, okay, don't use them because they are too weak on those devices, and then what's happening is unfortunately they are dying. Two are dead here, so okay, and the sides, like, we fix all electronics, so for us, you know, doesn't matter what it is. I want to see what's rattling inside only. Probably some plastic, I would say, because of the damage here. I wouldn't say it's a metal. So yes, if you're looking for a decent audio system which plays nicely and you don't need like subwoofers and stuff, but you just want good audio quality, oh, there is a void sticker. Yes, void sticker. So Yeah, I avoid it. That's all I do. That's all I do. STK4221 and Roman 2, so like second generation or something, stereo amplifier. It has, yes. So let's get the plastic out. Okay, I know where I'm touching, don't do it by hand yourself. And there is another plastic as well, because you can get electrocuted, so if you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. Now there is plenty of course of dust, yes, but that's an STK 4221 and Roman 2. Now I will clean it, but why I'm making the video into parts, okay? I'm making the video into parts because my technicians are watching it, or my apprentices are watching them. So I want them to tell me what they would do next, what they would do to diagnose the problem. And that's for any viewer out there. There will be 2 episodes at least about it. So the first episode is just that we know the fault, yes, that the one side is working, second side doesn't work. Now you've got the model, you can look for service manual, and you can look for general knowledge how to find the problem, how you would go to the bottom of the problem, reverse engineer the problem or whatever, yes. Now I will clean it, I will diagnose it, and in the second video I will tell you what I have done, what I have found, and if there will be any parts involved, I might wait with the video till the second part, okay? So I might record one video where I'm showing what I have found, and then I will be able to record another video once the parts will arrive, and we will change those parts. So this way you've got small series, but you will see how I'm thinking about the problem, how I'm finding the problem, and how I'm applying the solution. If you don't like the videos, please at least tell me why, okay? Because there are some people I seen one no like, second no like, that don't like, but it's for me, yes, I don't have to record those videos for general public, I'm recording them for apprentices. And if general public is watching it, it would be nice at least if they would say what they don't like, because they still watch them. So, you know, if they wasted their time, I would like to know why, so maybe I can do something about it. If I don't know, then, you know, we're recording for our Inte.Team franchise, and we've got all the software to manage the businesses, and we're looking for people to partner to open more branches across the whole country. We've got a whole system for managing bookings, managing the team of technicians, managing customers, and managing the training, Dojo Training Center, and the skill matrix app where we can track which skills has been developed by the technician. And we're happy to cooperate with more people and open franchises across the whole country. But, you know, if we can help as well with videos for the general public, I'm happy to do so. Only it would be nice to know why, yes, you don't like it. So leave the comment down below if you don't like the video. I don't count on any likes or subscriptions. That's okay. You don't have to do it, you know, your deal. But thank you for watching. That's it. And to my technicians, write down what you think you can find exactly, and when there will be video part 2, you will be able to compare what you have found, what I have found, how I'm thinking, how you're thinking, and what can you learn. Keep in mind we've got Audio Gemini AI, so later you can write the same problem in that Gemini, and it will use our knowledge base and our instructions to guide you, and you can compare then your knowledge to our Audio Gemini, yes, custom-made Audio Gemini with the knowledge. So this way you will be able to make sure you're following the best practice of diagnosing the fault. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.